Write the percent as a fraction in simplest form. 12% can be written as 12 over 100 because every percent is out of 100. Now we can simplify by dividing the numerator and denominator by 4. This gives us 3 over 25. Write the percent as a fraction in simplest form. 0.6% can first be written as a decimal by moving the decimal 2 places to the left. So 0.6% is equal to 0.006. Because the 6 is in the thousands place, we would write this as a fraction of 6 over 1,000. We can simplify by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. This gives us 3 over 500.